Hi guys, it's Colette, and for day 5 of my 12 Days of Christmas nail art, we're going to be working on this Sugar Plum Dotticure. If you love nail art, be sure you're subscribed to my channel, My Simple Little Pleasures, and if you'd like to see how I did this, just stay tuned. Starting off with clean dry nails, we're going to begin with a base coat. Today I'm using Holo Taco's Peely Base, and you can use whichever you prefer. For my base color, I'm going to be using Madame Glam Perfect Black. I'm going to be doing a couple coats of that, curing between each. For my top coat, I'm going to be using Madame Glam's No Wipe top coat. And then both of the glitters that I'm using are also from Madame Glam. We have this purple holo glitter as well as this silver holo glitter. I have 2 coats of black as well as a layer of top coat, and now I'm going to move on to the dots. I have 2 sizes of dotting tools, and I'm going to be using the larger one for the purple. I have a little cardboard lid here that I'm going to use to put the top coat out on. The nice thing with gel polish, of course, is that it doesn't dry out as quickly, but you still don't want to put out too much, because you don't want it to just spread to the point where it's hard to get any on your dotting tool. And I'm going to be going for 4 dots per nail, trying to keep them evenly spaced but not touching each other. And then once I have them applied, I'm going to kind of sand on the glitter. I have my fan brush ready to go, and I'm going to be applying it kind of right over the jar of glitter. I feel like that bottom dot is a little bit crooked, but we're going to roll with it. Go ahead and just kind of dump it on there. You want to get on all sides. You don't want any gaps to be in the final dot. Once you have everything covered, you can go ahead and tap the excess off of your nail. And then to prevent spreading, I'm going to go ahead and cure each nail one at a time. Once you've cured all your nails, you can go ahead and brush off some of the excess. I'm going to start with my fan brush here, and may need a brush with a little bit of a firmer bristle, which in my case I have an unused toothbrush, just to really kind of get all of the glitter out of the nooks and crannies. And then I'm going to repeat the same process with the silver. So here's the finished manicure, and I really love how this turned out. I wasn't really sure because I don't work with loose glitter that often how it was going to turn out, but I think I really got that sugared fruit effect that I was looking for. And it's pretty hard to tell under the ring light, but both of these glitters are holographic. So I think we have to do some flashlight time yet again so that you can truly appreciate how sparkly these are and see some of that rainbow come out. If you'd like to see the extended tutorial for this, it will be up here on YouTube shortly. If you'd like to join me live, you can come follow at twitch.tv/ColetteMSLP, and I'd love to hear what you guys think of this one down in the comments. If you enjoyed, I hope you'll leave a thumbs up, and of course, as always, thanks for watching.